Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through creating an Epic Games account step by step in a simple and smooth way. Start by opening your browser or the Epic Games app and go to the Epic Games website. Click on Sign Up and choose how you want to register using email, Google, PlayStation, Xbox, or another platform. If you choose email, enter your first name, last name, display name, email address, and create a strong password. Next, select your country and date of birth carefully because this affects account features. Accept the terms and continue. Epic Games will send a verification email to your inbox, so open it and click the verification link. Once verified, return to Epic Games and log in. Your account is now ready to download games, manage friends, and access all Epic features easily. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.